So today I'll be showing you how to plan your day using AI. Now this is for busy business owner. Welcome to Smart Step AI for Business Growth. The common daily problem. Do you feel busy all day but still unproductive? Like you have too many tasks, no clear priority, constant stress, end of day frustration. So the real reason the problem is not time. The problem is lack of clarity. Everything feels urgent, no clear focus. So AI can help you think clearly. So the important truth is busy but not productive. More work hours don't mean better results. Right tasks matter more. Planning reduces stress. Now I'll show you the practical problem we solve daily. As I don't know how to plan my day properly. So by using AI to create a clear daily plan. Now the tool which I'll be using that is ChatGPT, the free version. Why use it? Because it's easy to use, beginner friendly and no technical skill needed. Now the prompt which I am using is as I am a small business owner and I have 6 hours of work time today. Help me plan my daily tasks. Keep it simple and practical. What AI creates for you? AI gives you the prior tasks, clear time blocks, logical order for work, less mental overloaded. Now, how to use this plan daily? Pick top 3 important tasks. Focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking. Now, simple planning is calm mind. The best practice tip is you can plan every morning or night before. Just change available or type of work. Now, the result which you'll be seeing using AI daily planning helps you to reduce stress, increase focus, finishing important work, avoid burnouts. Now, the key learning is AI helps you to think clearly, you stay in control, planning saves time and energy. It helps you to smart work beats the hard work. Now, the final message which I would like to give it to everyone is AI will not run your business, but it will help you plan better. Now, subscribe to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth. Learn simple, practical AI solution for daily business problem. Thank you very much.